Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making Hilda baci style Asun rice. Smoky, spicy and full of flavor. I start by cooking my Asun, my goat meat. In a pot I went in with my goat meat. I went in with my pepper mix. This pepper mix is basically pepper and onion. I went in with my ginger and garlic, my spices. If you want more spices, you can just add anything you want. Okay. So because I want the goat meat flavor to be intense, I used Napa goat meat. I love the spice. For this recipe, I'll be using Gina and some seasoning cube. Please, if you don't see this in your area, just use anything at all. It doesn't matter. So after adding all my spices, I covered it too. Like I just did everything and covered it to cook.
I shouldn't call you at night when I'm here all alone, thinking about the last time I tried to tell you what my feelings were like. I'm usually not the one to try to swallow my pride. Oh my, oh, what you do?
Next, I prepared my rice in an empty pot. Go in with your vegetable oil. Just allow your oil to get hot a bit, then go in with your onion and your pepper mix. I also added my ginger and garlic. Please, you can skip if you don't like ginger and garlic, but over here we love ginger and garlic so much. The pepper I added is a bit little because there's enough pepper in there soon, so and my baby is eating the food. I don't want to like do too much. If you love pepper, go all out. Next, I went in with my washed rice. I use basmati rice for this recipe, or you can use Nigerian rice. You can use any type of rice, please. So we are going to be toasting the rice. You know how you cook your fried rice? Yeah, toast it very well, like fry it very well. Go in with your spices, then continue toasting the rice.
You're not coming knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? 'Cause nothing feels the same anymore.
For this recipe, we'll be adding stock flakes, and trust me, the game changer is really nice. Don't miss it. Please, after adding your stock flakes, keep toasting it. Toast your rice. I also went in with my Asun seasoning cube. Please, if you don't like seasoning cube, you can actually skip it.
Sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to bed. I'm tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be near you. Oh, I miss the
After
days.
toasting this for about 5 minutes or even more, I went in with my stock water, added enough water that will be able to cook the rice. Then I covered it to cook. Please also don't add all your stock water, just leave small. Please leave small aside. We'll be using it later.
I'm usually not the one to try to swallow my pride. Oh my, oh, what you doing to me? Ice cold.
So our rice is cooked now. Just going to set it aside.
Like I'm losing it. Oh, why is it so hard for me to breathe now? Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero.
We are using Tatashe for this recipe. This is what is going to like make our rice pop because we're not going to use any tin tomatoes, no fresh tomatoes. We're just going to use Tatashe. Now this is how to properly clean your Tatashe. Just open it, then remove the seed. If not, it will be bitter. The seed is bitter, so you don't like ground them with the seed. after cleaning this, I'm just going to go ahead and fry it, like roughly blend it. Don't like blend it smoothly, just blend it roughly. After, I'm going to be frying my son. Please, if you have a grill, just grill it. Yeah, I don't have, so I'm just going to fry my. After frying, it's now time to cook our rice proper. Like it's now the final stage. Yeah. So in an empty pot, go in with your vegetable oil. Go in with your onion. Go in with your pepper mix, your ginger garlic, anything you want.
Sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to
So I'm just going to go ahead and fry this for a bit before going in with my tatashe.
give up everything to be near you. Oh, I miss the days when you were mine, but I can be your superhero.
So after frying that for a bit, I went in with my roughly blended tatashe, as you can see.
I tried to tell you what my feelings were like. I'm usually not the one to try to swallow my pride. Oh my, oh, what you doing to me? Ice cold veins when you cut me deep, I'll bleed out. I feel like I'm losing it. Oh, why is it so hard for
I
me?
went in with another seasoning cube. Please, before you add any seasoning cube to this part, make sure you taste your rice to know if you need any. So I tested my rice and I needed to add a little bit. So after adding everything, you can decide to close your pot or to leave it open. Just either way, just fry your pepper very well.
City lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to bed.
My pepper is properly fried. I went in with the star of the show, the Asun. Did everything together. I am using panla fish for this recipe also. I went in with my panla fish. Mix fry everything together. Then you know that stock water. Yeah, the one I asked you to remain. We are going to add it now. Yeah. So quick one. Why is every tooth on this YouTube serious? I don't want to be serious. I just want to go and blabber go. Like, why is everyone serious? Anyways, I went in with my curry, like fresh curry. If you don't have this, you can skip. Now it's time for the rice. I added the cooked rice into the pan and mixed everything gently. Please mix it very well. Mix it very well. You don't want this one to be shining yellow, this one be shining red. Mix it very well. Yeah. Thank you. Please, if you love this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me.
Problems now they pour out, filling up the room with silence. Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's
By the way, this Asun rice tasted so good. Oh god, I don't know how to describe it, but the taste was so nice. Please try this in your house and come back to my comment section. I want to hear from you. Yes, you.